Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your freelance contracts with HelloSign easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the HelloSign website. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Document button. Upload your freelance contract file. After uploading, the document will be displayed on the editing screen. To add signature fields, select the signature option from the panel. Drag and drop the signature field to your designated area on the contract. You can customize other fields, such as date or initials, if needed. Once your fields are set, click on the Next button. Now, enter the email addresses of the clients who need to sign. You can add a message for your recipients if you'd like. After filling in the necessary details, click Request Signature. Your clients will receive an email with a link to sign the contract. They can review the document before signing. Once they sign, you will be notified via email. You can log in anytime to view the status of your signed contracts. After all parties have signed, the completed document is saved automatically. You can download or share the finalized contract directly from the dashboard. This process streamlines your contract management while ensuring security. With HelloSign, protecting your freelance contracts is simple and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.